Hey everybody, I'm at Frank and Sons Collectibles show, and it's raining, so hopefully it's not packed inside. So let's take a look.
You can go ahead, but you have to put things.
I bought quite a few from him, and then I saw him later, and he said some other guy came by and picked up some. You don't see him around too
You could pick one out of the case out of there, but I only got half a case for me. So you want to go out of the full case?
I'll get the full case.
You want to take one out? You want me to just grab any one? You want to grab it? Right there, right there, bro.
Hey, where's my Jordan?
Alright guys, I kind of got to talk at this part because there's a song being played in the background, and I don't want my video being taken down again on YouTube, as they did just recently on my last video that I tried posting last week. So, just walking around all the vendors and showing you guys what they're selling here. There's a lot of baseball card vendors here. If you guys ever want to take a trip down to Frank and Sons Collectibles, it's over here in City of Industry, which is literally down the street from where I live. It's the next city over. I live in La Puente, so next city over. And if you guys ever plan on coming out here, let me know. We can meet up. It's literally down the street from me. So hope you guys enjoy this. You know, give you guys an idea of whether you guys want to come out here or not. So enjoy the rest of the video. Talk to you guys later. Alright, so this is the short stack that I picked up today. Let me show you guys what I got. For $1, I picked up these Don Suttons, 67, 2 of them, and the 68. Got that for $1 a piece. And to make it an even $5, I picked up these Kirk Gibsons, second year I believe, quarter each. So with this vendor, I spent a whole whopping $5. Keep in mind, I didn't have too much time to shop. I kind of just went through everyone, or a handful of vendors, and just kind of spent a little bit of time there, and then moved on. I actually went there to pick up some count boxes. Had an hour to kill, so I decided to check out some vendors. Another vendor, I picked this Carlos Delgado up for $1. This was kind of like a filler, just to make it an even 10. Picked up this Bobby Thompson Bowman. Paid $3 for that. This Duke Snyder Baseball Thrills, 59 I believe, $3 for that. This Roberto Clemente 69 Tops, $3 for this. And this Carlos Delgado, again this was a filler, paid $1, so $10 there. And then for my last pickup, got me this autograph Orlando Cepeda for $20, as you can see. Just kidding. Check this out, guys. I couldn't believe this. Got this little short stack for $5 each. $20 for these all. This is an autograph Orlando Cepeda to Tim. I don't know who Tim is, but I'll pretend I'm Tim. Tim was a lucky fella to get all these autographed. But my first autograph was Orlando Cepeda. The second one, an autograph Harmon Killebrew. All these I'll be sending to Joey. Joey brings it whenever he's ready. Third autograph, a Warren Spahn. And for the finale of the autograph, an Al Kaline. Wow. You know, I had to ask the vendor twice if they were really $5, because you're not going to find any of these autographs for $5 at all, ever. You know, I think I got a really great deal. I wish I would have spent some more time there, but I had a train show to attend, so I had to kill an hour. And I really went there just to buy some count boxes, so not bad for an hour's worth of time. I spent a whopping $40 on everything I just showed you, so I think I did a pretty good deal. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. See you guys later.